Welcome to our channel.
It's time for Word of the Day. Let's learn a new word and have some fun. Hi friends. Are you ready to learn today's word? Today's word is squiggle. Can you say it with me? S Q U I G G L E. Squiggle. Meaning, a squiggle is a short, curvy line that twists or wiggles around. Here's how we use it in a sentence. Like, Maya signed her name with a fun little squiggle at the end. Did you know? Artists and designers often use squiggles to add movement and fun to their art. Grab a pen or crayon and make your own squiggle. Can you make one that looks like a snake? Or maybe a roller coaster? See you next time for another fun word.
Thanks for watching.